Let me show you how to monetize your TikTok account. You want to click on profile at the bottom of your screen. Then you want to click on the three dots at the top right of your screen. Now you can see the TikTok Studio option. Click on it. Inside here, you can see the monetization section. Now there's three ways I can monetize my TikTok. One is by subscription, one is by working with artists, the another is through live gift. Now you can click on view all right beside monetization. Over here, it's going to show you this. Now, if you want to start subscription, click on join, create your subscription and join. If you want to work with artists, click on join and you will get to work with artists and get paid. You can also earn money from TikTok just by posting videos, but you need to fulfill a criteria for that. My account hasn't fulfilled that criteria. That's why it's not showing me that option. But if it shows you that option, you can just click on join and join that option as well. But if you want to get notified when you are eligible to join, click on get notified when I'm eligible. But everything you want to know about monetization is going to be inside this page. You can visit this page and explore to understand more about monetization of TikTok. Hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for future videos like this.